running, I've been running. It seems that things change, rearrange, but this isn't a dream. I've grown, yeah, I've shown that I can succeed. So home, here I come, here I come. The Goonies breeze makes me freeze just for a second. So take a step back, deep gas, man, this is heaven. You know this picture, perfect harmony. No one here is harmony. So make way on the open road, I'm coming home with alarm and speed. Get away from the city, away from the lights, get away from the clubs, away from the fights, a way to escape all the hate that we make. But we're never getting better cause it's all just hate. So I'm gonna give it back to you. Goonie kids, this rap's for you. Rappers do what rappers do, but I'm gonna choose to act like you. Drinking booze with an attitude, take a toke then I pass to you. Loving life cause it's the best. In this place my soul's at rest.
This is my home, it's where I roam. This is the place that I was raised, it's where I'm from. And you can never turn the page, it's where I'm stuck. Forever here, can't get enough. This is my home, it's where I roam. This is the place that I was raised, it's where I'm from. And you can never turn the page, it's where I'm stuck. Forever here, can't get enough.
My face with a beer in my hand, sitting on a mountaintop with my friends, thinking damn, this is God's country, man. And it's the place that I was raised. And if life was a book, you know I'd never turn the page. I'm feeling homesick, I miss my dogs, I miss my fam, I miss the country roads, yeah. And I know you understand, every time I return I take a sign, just relax. This is my home, I'm back on track. This is my path, this is my route, this is my stage. And there's an animal in me that really wants out of the cage. Cause I never feel free unless my feet firmly planted on a mountainside, looking down from an eye of granite. Yeah, you can call me corny and that might just be. But then maybe you've never been to the heart of the Kootenays. No, maybe you've never seen the peaks, valleys, or lakes. So maybe you wouldn't know how that atmosphere tastes.
Back on the road, gonna be there soon to my hometown, my hometown. Back on the road, gonna be there soon to my hometown, my hometown. This is my home, it's where I roam. This is the place that I was raised, it's where I'm from. And you can never turn the page, it's where I'm stuck. Forever here, can't get enough. This is my home, it's where I roam. This is the place that I was raised, it's where I'm from. And you can never turn the page, it's where I'm stuck. Forever here, can't get enough. This is my home, it's where I roam. This is the place that I was raised, it's where I'm from. And you can never turn the page, it's where I'm stuck. Forever here, can't get enough. This is my home, it's where I roam. This is the place that I was raised,